If you have issues with your heater in your Trans Am and the vent is not changing from air conditioning to defrost, also to heat, then most likely it's one of these that have broke. And I'm going to show you how to replace one. You can get to it by taking your glove box out of your car and taking the glove box door off, the glove box out, and then this vent here, you'll see in front of your heater, and it's got 2 bolts that go here, and another one that goes over here, and you may have one on top with a little piece of metal on it. Some of them do, some of them don't. But anyway, what you have to do is remove that. You take it off, take it out of the way, and you can see right here just how this one broke. So what happens is then the vacuum line that operates this, that won't work. So it just stays in one position all the time. What we're going to do is remove the old one. The old one has a pin that goes through from the top right here, and it has this little screw here that holds it in place. So if you have a good pair of pliers like this, you can just take and put your pliers on there and squeeze that pin out. There, the pin just comes out. Then you remove that. Now you take this and remove the screw. Now you take the new one and you install it. The big thing is to get the pin in. And this pin you can reuse. You can kind of start the pin here. So we put it in place to try to get it back in, and we're going to have to push the pin back down in there. And you're doing this inside the car. You can do this inside the car. You see that push down through there? Put that into place like that, and then you take and you come over here and you push this inside, so you may have to move your vent a little bit to get that in there. That goes in there like that. You need to put that, and then you take and you put this screw back in like that. And then that's all you have to do to get it in there.